check for nearby Snapchat users. Suppose you are from somewhere and you want to connect to some people nearby, so this is how you can do it. Simply tap on the location icon from the bottom bar, and here you would find your own location first. So as you can see, this is my location, and the color that you are seeing is a heat map. And that means there are very high probability that a lot of people are creating snap in this location. So simply tap on any nearby location that you see. So there is a cafe nearby, you can tap on that. There is a university nearby, you can tap on that. So suppose I tap on this cafe called Prime Cafe. Now here, as you can see, there are a lot of people who have added some snaps. So tap on any video from this section, and you would find that these people have added snap. And to add them, as you can see, there is a plus icon from here. As you can see, let me show you guys. So this is a plus icon here. If you tap on this, you can add these nearby Snapchat users to your friend list by just clicking on this. You can do this, and this is how you can do it. And similarly, what you can do is simply tap on any location like this. If there is any snap created here, so you would find it. So this is a person who created the snap. There's a plus icon. If you want to add this person, you can do it. So this is how easily you can do it, and yeah, that's it. Moreover, you can search for a particular location. So in our case, we are searching for Pali, and this is the Pali district. Simply tap on this and do the same thing. In this section, you will find various videos and things. Simply tap on any one of the video, and you would find a plus icon from the bottom, which is just like this, to check and to add nearby users in Snapchat.